short in Romanian. I want to know, maybe you're going to comment, in which language you want me to speak from now on. So, astăzi ziceam și în engleză, vreau să lăsați un comentariu, vreți să vorbesc în engleză sau în română, de acum încolo pe canal. În funcție de ce comenturi o să am, o să fac o statistică să vedem români sau canadieni, americani, englezi sunt pe canal. So, like I was saying in Romanian, I will going to make an analyze. I will going to analyze the answers from the comments. I want you to comment in which language you want me to speak. I want to see what language is more used on this channel. With which types of subscriber I have, yeah? Romanians or Canadians, Americans or others. So, like I was showing you in the short, it's snowing in 13th of April. I was crossing the border to Canada and from Montana, and in Montana, in the last few miles close to the border with the US, the weather was the same. Like I slept maybe half an hour away from the border, and when I wake up in the morning everything was white. So snow in April, like back from where I'm coming from, this is called the snow of the ships, something like that, ship snow. Yeah. So the conditions are pretty slick, you know. Oops. Yes, it's going sideways. The truck is going a bit sideways. It's ice on the road at this hour. It's 8 in the morning. The snow, it's soft. Doesn't seem like much, but the truck, when I'm accelerating too hard, is going sideways. It's ice. Hopefully the ice will melt soon, because now the temperature will go high. Hopefully, but it will going to melt the ice. You see now here it's better, but in the curve, it's okay. But still it's April, and it's middle of the April 2025, and it's snowing here. I was coming from California, from Los Angeles, and down there the temperature were positive, of course. It was 31, 32 degrees Celsius. I don't know, Fahrenheit 100 and something, I think, Fahrenheit. So you can see here, here is the wind is blowing so powerful. Where I stopped in that petrol station, it was a Pilot, a Flying J truck stop. In the morning I wanted to go to the washrooms, and they had no power because of the wind. Something happened with the power lines. I think they were broken, they were damaged because of the wind. You can see here the snow accumulation beside the road. It's pretty amazing for April. I can't believe it. Back where I live in Canada, in Winnipeg, yesterday they were 16 degrees Celsius temperatures, pretty high, and now look, surprise. At least I see that on the left side a snowplow was in place, and the snow was a little pushed away. But I think what made it worse was the wind. Now the temperature is -2 Celsius. It's not that cold, but wind chill. The wind chill, I think, is -10 at least. Feels like very cold outside. Yep. When I wake up in the morning, the snow was covered in snow. Yeah. And I want to find out my path on the road where is not that much ice. That's why I'm driving on the middle of the road, because on the first lane, on the right lane, there is not that nice to drive. I think the snowplow was pushing the snow just from the left lane, you know. They didn't have time clear the road entirely. They cleared just one lane. I could see the plow at the border with the US. It was turning around. In the US, in Montana, it wasn't that worse. It wasn't looking like that. You can see now on the right lane, it's pretty much snow. If I will go on that lane, I might get stuck there and spin. Come on. I'm hoping for the sun to make it better. I have some maybe 6 to 7 hours to drive to Regina, and I hope the road will not be like this. Hopefully. Oh, here is tricky. Here. This is ice. This is entirely ice. I wish to drive on snow. Don't like ice. So, if you're going to subscribe, don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to make it better for you, and you're going to hear me better soon. The images will be better, but don't forget to comment which language you want me to speak. English, Romanian, that's pretty much it. English or Romanian, those are the options. Maybe a bit Deutsch. I know that some Germans are watching me, but I will not be able to put it like this and to speak that freely in German. So keep it to the options English or Romanian. Yeah? So I just wanted to show you the surprise that I had in the morning on April 13th of April. I buildup, it's pretty significant.